We are 404 RNF. My name is Ahmad Farhan Bisabri, and to my esteemed colleagues as well, Zaim Zarfan, Dan Romero, Lichuradin, and Everson Paul. Together, we have discussed a solution where ships wait in docks for days. So, here I present to you Easea Tides. It's an AI powered sea route optimization. There are still many vessels that rely on outdated static routing methods. So the thing about this is it doesn't take into account real-time conditions such as weather data and hydrographic properties. Okay, not to mention they wait at the docks for days, and it's due to port congestion and coordination inefficiencies. Okay, the delays cost them a fortune, and not to mention the greenhouse gas emissions. It sickens our family and our loved ones.
We have done our research by conducting an interview session with the firm and industry insight Hafifi Hassan, which is a senior project engineer at Global Port Engineering Service, and including several articles from known places. We can see that we have issues such as outdated static routing methods, proven upon from GPS staff himself, then the financial and environmental costs are immense. For instance, Panamax bulk carriers lose up to $13,600 per day from delays. To add more context, ships spend up to 22 days a year idle, often due to misjudged port arrival. This inefficiency is not only bad for the business, but also bad for the planet. Greenhouse gas emissions, port operators are under increasing pressure to reduce emissions, as smart arrival timing could cut emissions by up to 25%. What we conclude is that the maritime industry today faces three critical pain points. Port congestion, for instance, in Tawau, over 170 containers were delayed for weeks, costing companies thousands in daily losses. Next, outdated static routing. Many small vessels still use manual or outdated GPS-based routes, making them vulnerable to the changing sea conditions. And next, environmental pressure. Ships can emit over 2.5 tons of pollutants during just one port stay, which adds up drastically across the industry. And while giants like Maersk use AI routing system, smaller Malaysian vessels are often left out, still relying on automation alone.
This is where we come in. We offer two unique solutions, Easea Tides and Maizu. So Easea Tides is an AI route optimization platform where it suggests the most efficient and safest route based on real-time data. Next is Maizu, with a built-in AI-assisted port congestion analysis tool integrated with Easea Tides to estimate port congestion and minimize ship idle time in ports. Still confused? Let's go further into the details. Our platform offers dynamic route optimization, reacts to real-time sea conditions, fuel optimization, calculates best speed and direction for better fuel efficiency, custom alerts, it has smart notifications for crews on rerouting opportunities and risk warnings. Next, it has port congestion analysis, uses buffing and queue data to reduce wait times. Next, it has smart port selection. It recommends better transit options mid-voyage, can allow crews to choose whichever seaports they want to go to. And then lastly, we have the Maizu API, allows integration with port authority systems and external data sources.
These are the three main technologies that we are going to be using. The first one, AIS, also known as Automatic Identification System. AIS data is critical for tracking ship movements, detecting queuing patterns, and estimating arrival and departure times. This gives us real-time visibility into the port activities. Next, .NET framework. So we use .NET to build and manage the back-end services of our system, including APIs, system logic, and data processing pipelines. It ensures our platform remains reliable, scalable, and secure. The last one, we will be implementing machine learning models. So these models are used to predict congestion levels at ports by analyzing patterns from both historical and real-time data, enabling more accurate and proactive decision-making. We have four main SDG that we aim to achieve from this project, which are SDG 4, decent work and economic growth, SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, SDG 14, life below the water, and SDG 17, partnerships for the goals.
Now I want to present to you our target users. So the first one is small shipping lines. Usually they own 1 to 2 ships, operate regionally, okay? And then mid-sized maritime companies. So they own a fleet of vessels, usually mid-sized vessels. They span wider regions. And then the next one is enterprise shipping companies. They own large vessels, manage like more than 10 vessels like tankers, large container ships, etc. So industry stakeholders that we think is sufficient for our project is port authorities, shipping companies, technology providers, environmental agencies, regulatory bodies, and customs and immigration, which all suits for our project.
Our revenue model is software as a service with 3 subscription tiers, which are starter, mid, and enterprise. The starter is 199 ringgit per month, which are meant for smaller vessels. This tier includes dashboards, ETA info, and 10 optimized routes. For the mid tier, which is 699 ringgit per month, this gives customers the option to add vessel data, delay alerts, and 20 more optimized routes. For our last and most premium tier will be the enterprise tier, which is 2,499 ringgit per month. This is meant for large fleets. This tier offers unlimited routes, API access, and voyage recommendations. This tiered pricing ensures accessibility while supporting advanced enterprise features.
So this is our complete business model canva.
Here's our roadmap, which consists of ideation phase, UI prototype phase, and EC Type 1.0 phase. For the ideation phase, which is where we are right now, this is where we brainstorm features, tech requirements, and business model. For the UI prototyping phase is where we build a fully interactive UI, showcasing core functions. And the third phase, Easea Tides 1.0, will be our MVP launch, which we will deliver a functional platform with all key features, which are smart routing, congestion analysis, and alert systems. With this roadmap, we're building steadily with a clear path to roll out. To wrap up, Easea Tides is more than just an AI tool. With this, we can reduce congestion, lower emissions, and make the seas more sustainable for all. Thank you, and that is all from us.